Here we're unboxing the 2 gig Go Control wireless security system. And we open up the box. First thing we find is we do have a sheet. Front gives you some voice descriptors. Down at the bottom, some equipment codes. And we flip it over. There's a quick programming guide, getting started, wireless zone programming. Open it up, installing cameras, image sensors, and other Z-Wave programming. Next, we have a user guide, and looks to be about 3 different languages here, 50 pages for each language. Open it up, and this is what you get. You have the control panel. Looks like we have some mounting screws. This little box here. Some more zip tie, more screws. And here we have, looks to be your AC adapter. Now if you notice, it comes with the adapter but not the wire. So you're going to have to get your own wire and wire it up yourself. And then it comes with a little mounting bracket. Looks like some sticky tape on the backside. Now here is the Go Control panel. It is a wireless. It has a color touchscreen, alarm speaker, emergency button, home button, and that's what you get.